Okay, I'm doing this video because for 2 years I've had this 2000 Volkswagen Golf. It's a TDI and I love the car. It's got 320-some thousand miles on it. But the problem I've been having, southeast Tennessee rains a lot and my floor has been wet, and people say caulk the sunroof up. And then other people were like, it's these drainage hoses, cut them off by the door there where they run down from the sunroof. I have the headliner out. And sometimes these crack. I checked those. One of those was bad on the sunroof. But I did all that, and every time it rains, I still wind up with water on the driver's side floorboard. As you can see, it's pretty soaked in. We got a lot of rain this past week. And I started digging around in the dash, under the dash I should say, and what I come to find out was there's a wiring connection under the hood here, under this windshield wiper thing on the driver's side. I kept noticing on the driver's side, so it had to be a driver's side problem. And let's see if I can get this flashlight set up here in a second. Anyway, this connection looks like it holds down by that little screw there, and then I think there's one on the other side, and I started wiggling it, and it kind of lifts up and down, and there you can see it there. So whatever kind of gasket or whatever is under there, I think it's not sealing anymore, whether it's from age or just, you can kind of see the water. Zoom in there. So I'm going to take the garden hose here and we're going to do a little test, because water runs down the wipers and it runs into there. So there's a good chance that's what it is. So get it running good there. You see the water going right around that connection box. Now we're going to look in the car and see if it's leaking in the car. And we do have water running down. I'm going to try to set my phone up here somehow and try to lift on that box, see if it makes a difference. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Okay, so I have my phone set up. You can kind of see it dripping. I'm going to try to lift up on that and see if it drifts more. it did seem to make it wetter, so I think we fixed or found the problem. Now I'll have to figure out how to fix it. It's good to know anyways, and you can really see it cooling up there now. It's been frustrating. Hopefully it fixes the problem though. Let me know what you think on the comments.